that we've never done before. And these are the windows out of the utility room. And Daryl had to replace the glass because both panes were broken. This one was actually completely missing. The other one was cracked. And we're not using antique glass on this. We're just using some glass that was here at the house. Because it is a utility room and in the back corner upstairs, it's not really going to be visible. And the glass was broken out already anyway. So now we're going to try putting the glaze back in. Daryl has the points. Got the points put in. So I'm going to zoom in where you can see what I can do. Now we've got this window glazing. There we go. First time window glazing. I don't think it's too bad. We are a little thick in a couple spots.
Get it cleaned up and installed. This is actually the top here, so hopefully we won't see that from the inside. Once we get that whiting cleaned off.
All cleaned off. You use whiting to clean it off. So we have one more to go.
Put it in storage and you're gonna show me cutting the glass.
Sure.
Make sure there's no big chunks underneath it, because the big chunks that will be underneath your glass will break your glass. We're going to cut off this foggy part on this side.
You got your marker?
I do have my marker. Our piece of glass needs to be 2 foot by 2 foot square. So we'll make our first cut at 2 foot. And the way I've been doing this, which you don't necessarily have to do this, but I've been using a piece of masking tape for my straight edge. It seems to work pretty well. So, put it down there and there.
Talk louder.
Okay. My director has told me I need to talk louder, so I might not. There's where my first cut's gonna be, and we're gonna use our trusty dusty glass cutter. I've had pretty good success at cutting these pieces of glass, but it's terrifying every time I do one. We'll see. I did that correctly. It should just be as easy as lay it over the side of this table here. Do a little snap, just like that. Like I said, it's just terrifying every time I do that. Yep, that should work. Now, more time, just like that before. Break it right off. And we're ready to see if it'll fit in our frame. Really, really well. Now this is the top here. So, as I'm looking at it, this is the bottom. Which piece of the glass should it go? It is just a hair too small. I think it fits just right. So now we get to put in our push points. And there you have it. Ready for glazing. I might need to clean it up just a little bit more. That's what it looks like before you glaze it.
Clean it up for me. Alright, I'm gonna try just a push technique this time.
I liked it better. Yeah, I think we were faster and it looks really, really good in most places. A little thick up in there, at least from this angle, and a little bit thicker right in here. But personally, for our laundry room,
I think it's good enough.
I think I would leave it alone. Ta-da!
2 down, about 38 to go.
Yep.
These are the little ones.
Well, so I'm pleased. Did well.
I'll just
Agree in the camera too. Huh?
chirp it up. So Daryl managed to make this light work. So we do have some light. I'm gonna move you over here. The one you planed, right?
I think so.
Huh?
This one?
Which one? That has hardware on it. So that's the bottom.
No, this is the top.
No, I meant this one over here has the hardware.
These are just to hold the windows in temporarily
Why is that?
because we're not really ready to hang them yet.
But they've been glazed.
Do you want to climb a ladder and paint them on the outside, or do you want to take them out?
Take them out.
And for a temporary job for now, this will hold our windows in place.
There's a couple spots where I think we may need to put some wood hardener because it's still pretty hard, but like right here, there's a little bit of rot, and right here,
Well, we still got a lot of sealing.
but they're still in good shape. But yeah. Okay, this. Now you can open and close this window.
Right.
Before that wasn't possible. And this window also has a good view
Of the
of
magnolia.
the magnolia tree, which is right. This room is right next to the bedroom that we redid, so or got a start on.
So from the magnolia tree that Lisa was showing you out the window, here's a look at the window we just worked on. It's that one up there. That's the one that we have glazed. Sorry for the video being so grainy, but that's what it looks like for now. We've got quite a bit of work still to do. We've got to get the paint off the concrete, paint off the inside of the frame of the window, and then give it all a new paint job. Clean it all up, make sure it's sealed up. But so for this side, we were talking about how many windows we have. As you can see, for this side, there are 6 openings, but that means there are 4 windows upstairs, 5 windows downstairs just on this side. Total of 9 windows for this side. Thanks for watching. So on this side, the windows that we're working on, the wooden double hung, the ones that we're refurbishing, this one up here does not count because that one's going away and we're going to put in a new window there. So that one doesn't really count. But as you can see, on the lower portion of the house, there are 3 openings, 5 windows. And on the upper portion of the house, 3 openings, 4 windows. So that gives us a total of 9 windows for this side as well. 9 windows that must be refurbished. And every one of them right now, we are a certain portion of it involved. And there's Lisa's workshop. And for the front of the house, besides the door, we have 5 openings. But of the 5 openings, on the lower floor we have 6 windows. And on the upper floor we have 5 windows. Well, actually there's 6 upstairs as well. So 6 and 6 is 12 for the front of the house. Not counting the door. got finished up for the day, and I thought we'd show you what we did. So these 4 windows right here used to be hideously disgusting because they had honey bee juice dripping all down them, and one of them was plexiglass. But we've replaced the plexiglass with real glass, and that's what we were able to accomplish today.
They're even glazed.
Oh yeah, I gotta get up close so I can show you the glazing. Lisa's professional glazing job. We just got to clean them up, paint the outside, and stain the inside.